Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading LMNO Peas by Keith Baker. Let's get it. LMNO Peas. We are peas, alphabet peas. We work and play in the ABCs. We're acrobats, artists, and astronauts in space. We're builders, bathers, and bikers in a race. We're climbers, campers, and he's a circus clown. We're dancers, can you dig it? And drivers around town. We're eaters, electricians, and explorers searching land. We're farmers, flaggers, and best friends in a band. We're gardeners, gigglers, givers, and takers. We're hikers, inventors, and investigators. We're judges and jugglers, dishes, pins, and rings. We're kickers, kayakers, and some of us are kings. We're listeners, miners, and neighborhoods right next door. We're nurses, officers, and outlaws taking more. We're painters, poets, and plumbers fixing leaks. We're pilots, parachutists. We're peas, and we're unique. We're quilters, quarterbacks, and readers. Next page, please. We're scientists, swimmers, and sailors on the seas. We're truckers, teachers, everyone look here. We're underwater divers, voters, vets, and volunteers. We're weavers, wishers, and x-ray doctors too. We're yogis in a pose, and zoologists, that's who. We are peas from A to Z. Now tell us, please, who are you? I hope you guys enjoyed LMNO Peas, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.